In this video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to see recently watched videos on Instagram. Now, if you want to see your Reels watch history, simply head to Instagram. Now, let's say you have watched this reel and you kept on scrolling, or you closed your Instagram app, and you can't find that reel or video again. To see your recently watched Reels, simply head to your Instagram profile page. You want to tap onto these three lines to access your settings and activity. Now, under How You Use Instagram, head to your activity. Now, in the first section of interactions, to see your recently watched Reels, you must have interacted by either liking, commenting, and among others. Now, if you like that reel, head to likes and you will eventually see the reel just like so. Let's say you commented on it. You will head to comments to see your recently watched reel. As of the time of recording this video, there's no separate section of viewing your watched reels, but the only way is if at all you interacted on the video. Well, that's how easy it is to see recently watched reels on Instagram. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.